Repair before you sell. To some of us, seems obvious. To others, the question is why? Isn't the buyer going to want to choose their own paint colors? I'll explain this. Let's do it. So a question comes up a lot. Should we make the repairs or should we just sell the house as is? 99% of the time, you're gonna be better off repairing before you put your house on the market. I get it. You think your house is great. And most people think their house is great because they've been in it for so long, they've raised kids there. They forget about those all little small things, the dings in the walls, the carpet that needs to be replaced, maybe the peeling paint on the window trim. Buyers have enough money for the down payment, and the first concern they have is how much more money is it gonna cost us to get this house to where it needs to be? So if they go look at your house and they see peeling paint or older paint on the outside, maybe the carpet's a little bit worn, maybe the range oven's not working quite right, any of these things start adding up dollar signs to a buyer. The buyer goes to a house that is completely taken care of, they walk in, they're gonna be much more apt to write a full price offer and close the deal. It's always best to have a good first impression and repair it before you put it on the market, because we know that top shape means you're gonna get top dollar. No matter where you are, there are great agents all over the United States. If you happen to be in Southern Oregon, I'd love to chat with you. And if you're not in Southern Oregon, you can still get a hold of me because I have preferred real estate partners all over the United States that are great at this and are able to help you find that perfect house.